So if you go to Walmart.com, like I said, both on Amazon and Walmart delivering, and guess what? If you live near Walmart, you're in luck. You should get it delivered. It'll take you probably like maybe like less than a week, depending where you live and depending if the store actually has time slots available for you. In other words, if you want to go pick up, one day, tomorrow might not be available, but you could probably in a day or 2 or 3 or 4 days, you could go there and you could pick up your food. It goes the same for delivery. If you want it delivered, it'll probably wait a week, or you could get it in a couple of days depending on availability on delivery. All right. So Amazon is also great. Walmart is great. The same thing as Amazon. You might have cheaper food, which is also is 10 cents is great. You might have a wider variety of food. Just take your time. Go ahead and click. Go ahead and pick your food properly, right? Now we're right here at the same website. We could click next day delivery, which will be good. It'll show you if you can get it, you can get your food delivered within a day, right? You know, Amazon Prime has 2 days delivery, well, Walmart has 2 days or 1 day delivery, right? Which is also great. Obviously, you're gonna have to pay a minimum of at least $30, I think, so you can get it delivered. But I mean, it's fantastic. You can't lose. You'll save time. You don't have to be waiting at the line, and you don't have to risk your health, right? So quickly, you can either shop at Walmart.com, or since all of us are gonna order EBT, we're gonna go here and pick up and delivery tab. So right here, as you can see, I ordered something already, trying to test it out before I show you guys. And pretty much I'm gonna show you step by step right now how to order this one. So to begin with, make sure you have an EBT card ready. You're gonna type in your first name, last name, and your EBT card number. And remember your PIN, right? So for this to the site, it gives you 3 options right here, right from the start. Organic options, ready to eat meals, see what's new, what type of new things you have from Walmart. All great deals. I kid you not, you won't be disappointed. Again, with your EBT, you can order food, or you can also order items if you have EBT cash, right? If you have cash aid, you'll be able to buy items like, let's say, like right here, deodorant or Clorox. But for most of us who only have EBT CalFresh, then that means only packaged foods or fresh foods, right? Which means what? Cereal boxes, fruits, eggs, milk, all fresh produce. Now, the only thing you can buy is food, which is packaged food, or fresh produce, which is vegetable and fruits, right? So now right here you have a list. You have a wide variety of items. You can choose from. All delicious, all organic. Some are organic, some are not. Some are even from Starbucks, which is good. You can buy it for your family, enjoy it. You'll be satisfied. I guarantee it. So it's simple. You just add to your cart, add how many items you want in the cart. Change the page. You can check it out, and I'll add up right here to your right side where it says right here cart. Now you see right here it says add existing to order. Now if you made an order earlier today, yesterday, or any existing order throughout the week that you can still change and it hasn't been delivered, you could add items or you could change your order, right? And you just click the tab right there. All right. Now, for most of us, we're going to start a new order, which is a $30 minimum, right? So just keep in mind that you can't actually spend less than $30, or else you can't pick up food from Walmart, or you can get it delivered. All right. Now, what I mean is pick up food from Walmart is you can actually drive to the parking lot, park your car, and then they actually come out and deliver your food to your car, right? So you have to wait in line, you have to wait under the sun, you have to risk your health for the virus. Just order online, go to the parking lot, and pick up, which is awesome, right? It's fantastic, it's great, and everybody should do it. Now, free delivery. Also, if you don't meet the requirements, you won't get it delivered to your doorstep, right? So that's obviously something to keep in mind. Always order above $30, right? Now, here's something for you guys that I want to show you. This right here. Order before 1 p.m., right? So if you want to enjoy same day shipping, you have to order before 1 p.m. Anything after 1 p.m., you won't get same day shipping. Now this thing you can actually it depends on the items, it depends on the location, and it depends if it's actually available or not, right? It says right here, hopefully you can get it, but most likely it's going to be until the next day or possibly sometime during the week, unless you actually go there and pick it up, right? It has to be available. Now it also says here, it's a game changer for people who are new to Walmart. They actually want to use this service. You could get $10 off of $50 or more with the code RAWFRESH, right? So use the code RAWFRESH, put in your promo code, and you get $10 off $50 or more. So now get this. I also have a link down below. You could click on it and you could you can earn me $10 for helping you do this step by step in Walmart delivery, right? So that's something that'll benefit me if you guys do me the favor. If you guys are new users to Walmart groceries, Walmart delivery, and never used this before, go ahead and click that. I'm gonna link it right here on the screen as well. You click it, it's gonna take you to Walmart groceries, and you can start your order like that afresh. Plus, you can use the code WOWFresh and get $10 off for $50 or more, right? So remember, $50 or more. Use my link. You get me $10, which I really appreciate it. It helped me a lot, and you could get yourself $10 off with the code WOWFresh for yourself, right? $50 or more. Perfect. All right. With that being said, let's move on to the next page and we start order. All right, before we proceed to the next page, I did change some items. I couldn't actually order it. All right, I had to delete them, so I had to start fresh. But I just want to show you before we move on to the next page, because right here it says select Express checkout. Now, about Express, Express offers the fastest, easiest way to get your order to go to Express. Simply wait until checkout to see availability. All right, so that means you can get it within an hour. All right, if it's in the Express, you probably end up paying more shipping, but you get it within an hour, which is great, especially if you live near Walmart, right? Better than Amazon, right? Now it says right here also, if you want 15 days free trial of discount shipping, all right? Now shipping costs like about $10, but you could pay $12.95 monthly or $98 annually, right? A year, and this will give you discount shipping or even free shipping, right? It says convenient grocery without the pre-order fee. All right, so that'll save you about $10. If you want to sign up, go ahead, right? It's great. All right, so with that said, let's move to the next side. All right, so on the next page, it's going to ask you for pickup or delivery, right? Now, you're going to pick up your pickup store, whichever store you want to go, which is a couple blocks or it's a mile away, doesn't matter, your choice. And you're going to pick up time slots, right, for the rest of the week. Now, if it's after Sunday, you have to have 7 days right there, right? You can't go past 7 days because you have to have availability for everybody, right? Now, some stores won't have that, but most stores will, all right? So the thing is with these stores, all you have to do is show up to your parking lot, park your car, and the associate will actually come with your food and put them in your car, right? So you don't have to worry about nothing, virus free, no line, no heat, everything healthy, everything safe, and everything satisfied, right? So that's how you have to do. You pick your date. You can pick up tomorrow. You can't pass 1 p.m., right? So if you pass 1 p.m., you can't get the same day, or you can't pick up the next day. Usually, most times, right? But if it's available, and go ahead. All right, now for us, we're gonna pick up delivery, right? Because we want to get it delivered. We type in our address. Once we type it in, we're gonna see it in green or in red. If it's green, we can get it delivered. If it's red, we can't. Right. Awesome. Awesome. So once we get delivery, we pick it. If it's available, you'll see right here, right? Now, the Walmart website will automatically choose the availability on the nearest Walmart store or any kind of Walmart store that's able to deliver to your website. So you don't have to worry about that. Just type in your address and it'll show up, right? It's very easy. You just type in, you select your date you want to get it delivered. Right here, you see the availability of the dates you can get it delivered. The amount of fee, you see right here, some is $7.95, some are $9.95, right? Depending on which one you want. We select $7.95, right? Cheapest is better. Again, it says here, want free or discount delivery? It's going to ask you for the monthly plan or the yearly plan. It's up to you. One last reminder, you have to be at least 18 years or older to actually accept alcohol, and you have to have your ID, right? That's great. All right, on this one, it says type in your credit card or debit card. You're going to add it. Obviously, if you're new users, you're going to have to create a new account so you can actually order through Walmart, right? Now, obviously, we have EBT card, and that's what we're going to do. Don't forget the promo code. If you want to save $10 for the first-time users over $50, you're going to have to type in the promo code right there where it says add a promo code. But for right now, we're going to add an EBT card, right? Now, EBT, select the first name, your last name, and then your EBT card number, right? So that's what we're going to do, and we're going to save it. Okay, once you type in your EBT card, you're going to save it, right? Now, automatically, it's not going to show up. What you have to do is actually tap this little tab right here. It's going to turn purple. It's going to show you the amount of food, which is the total, and it's going to show you the amount of cash, EBT cash, right? Again, you can't waste EBT money on things that aren't food. It has to be packed and it has to be fresh produce, right? Like vegetables or other stuff like that, right? It's going to ask you for the amount remaining, $7.95. So you're going to have to type in your debit or credit card. All right. Once you typed it in, type in the 3 digits. typed it in, that's how you're gonna pay your debit card. I mean, your shipping, right? Now remember, you have a promo code. Type in the promo code. That for right now, anything above $50 is gonna have $10 off, right? Type it in or any other discount code you have, and we continue to the next page. On this page, and you're gonna summarize, review your order. It says right here, leave at door if you want no hands-free delivery. Obviously, it's the safest way right now with the virus going on. We have our time slot, which is Sunday, May 17th from 11 to 12 p.m., which is great. You know, you want to get it delivered on Sunday, you want it on Friday, or you want it on Saturday, go ahead. You pick your time slot. Your address, obviously, and you have instructions right here. You can say something like, please leave at door and text before. Right there, you see? So you'll be able to text you. You type in your phone number. You check the box for text messages. It's going to show you what type of cards you're actually paying with, right? EBT card and your MasterCard or your Visa card for shipping. Now it tells you right here your details. You're going to review again whatever you ordered. You're going to check them if that's what you want or not. Again, so in order to get free delivery or discount delivery, you can either choose $12.95 monthly or $98 annually, right? But if you don't, select no thanks, and we go on. You review it one more time. You check the box if you want grocery bags, and that's it. You hit continue. It's going to ask you for one last thing. You have to enter your PIN and authorize your EBT food debit card, right? So it's just a one-time thing. Obviously, once you leave the site, but it's the same thing as a credit card. You put in your PIN so you can purchase it, right? Now, this box is a little tricky. I'm going to show you right now. Let's say number is 1234, right? That's your PIN number. So you're going to go over here, pick one, and it automatically actually mixes up the numbers for you, right? So this is a new way to actually be more secure with your numbers for your EBT card. But I mean, either way, if people have your EBT card, they're gonna know it and they can just follow through, right? So they should probably protect this a little bit more. The way I think it is the two-way verification. It's highly suggested for this. But just follow it through. We said 1, 2, 3. You hit 2. Now the numbers get mixed up again. We go 3. It gets mixed up again, and then we go for 4, right? And that's it. And then we select enter, submit, and then it'll work. All right. So that's about it. That's how it works. You submit it, you get your payment, and you just wait at the door again on the day you order it, and it'll arrive right there. Thanks. Go ahead and subscribe. I appreciate if you leave a comment, if you hit likes, and you share my YouTube. I'm trying to get more advanced, more audience, and of course, I'll be here updated and deliver to you anything about food banks, EBT. Thanks.